We are going to be making a chocolate lava cake.
Using double sweet cake mix, a Dr. Pepper, and some frosting. You putting it all into Pampered Chef's Rock Crock.
I am putting the cake mix into the rock crock. There goes the Dr. Pepper.
My name is Shannon, and you're watching Disney Channel. Whoa! Why does it look like that? Okay.
It smells very cherry.
Yes, it does.
Good.
My name's Shannon, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Okay. Another Pampered Chef item. It is, I think it's a mix and scraper. I'll check that for you though. Mix and scraper. Okay. I'm going to take the frosting and I'm just going to put it on top of the cake mix. Now we're going to microwave this for 10 minutes. I'm not sure if it's supposed to look like that or not.
Taste test.
It's not bad.